ang boksidor na nagpatumba kay Mikey Garcia. Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw pod sa mga Bisaya diha. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman, click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ang video para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong uploads. Mikey Garcia, 4 Division World Champion. Sa kanyang impresibong kartada na 40 wins, only 1 defeat, 30 dito via KO, ay di pa ito nakatikim ng knockout. Ang nag-iisang talo niya ay mula kay Errol Spence via unanimous decision. Pero sa kabila ng kanyang malagranite na panga at magandang kartada, ay may dalawang boxer na pala ang nag-knockdown sa kanya. Una ay noong October 31, 2008, nakasagupa niya ang veteranong si Walter Estrada at dito nalasap niya ang unang tumba sa ibabaw ng lona. Pero nakabawi siya at nanalo pa via unanimous decision. Pero sa laban na to mga pre, ay wala tayong makitang video. Kaya ang pangalawang nagpatumba sa kanya na lang ang ating muling solyapan. November 9, 2013 sa Corpus Christi sa Texas, Amerika, nakaharap ni Mexican-American Mikey Garcia si Roman Martinez na isang Puerto Rican. Ito ang tangkang pangatlong pagdepensa ni Roman Martinez sa kanyang titulo na WBO World Super Featherweight title. Habang itong si Mikey Garcia naman, ito ang unang pag-akyat at unang laban niya sa Super Featherweight Division matapos mag-champion na sa Featherweight Division. Nakataya sa laban ang titulo ni Roman Martinez dito. Parehong may impresibong kartada ang dalawa. Si Mikey Garcia ay may undefeated record na 32 wins, 0 loss at 27 dito via knockout. Habang itong defending champion na si Roman Martinez ay may kartada din na 27 wins, only 1 defeat, 2 draws at 16 dito via knockout. 30 na si Martinez habang 25 pa si Garcia at parehong orthodox ang style nila. Sa gabi ng kanilang sagupaan na dinaluhan ng mahigit 5,000 na katao sa arena ay naging maaksyon ang dalawa sa ibabaw ng lona. Unang round, maingat pa na nagtansyahan ang dalawa. Madalas jab-jab lang muna. Tila pinapakiramdaman pa nila ang parehong lakas nila.
Just as Vanes Martiros's in 2008, he represented the United States.
Exactly.
But that night, as he sat in his room, we take it lightly sometimes. Well, okay, he was a pound or two over. But these guys are...
But people like me that know,
100%.
I know what he went through.
That said, people like you always made weight.
Of course, but still.
Normally, he would mix about 40 to 50% power punches. He was 80% jabs in that fight. Still got the knockout done.
So far, he's not applied pressure.
Martinez is on.
Rocky Martinez told us yesterday that
Strong, precise counterpunching. He's had a pretty good go of it here in round 1.
Second round, malimit at maingat pa rin ang dalawa sa mga kamao. Pero sa kalagitnaan ng palitan ng dalawa, ilang segundo bago matapos ang round 2, nahuli ng isang malupit na kanan itong si Garcia at bagsak sa lona.
Very strong with the lead hand. Martinez hasn't yet tried to really step inside.
in front of Mikey, Rocky Martinez, Houston than you might expect. As the fight goes on, if he's still in it,
Down goes Garcia on a perfect counter right hand shot by Rocky Martinez.
Makikita sa mukha ni Garcia na hindi ito nasaktan. Pero talagang nasorpresa lang talaga siya sa kamaong tumama at nagpabagsak sa kanya. Agad naman itong bumangon at tinuloy ang laban nila.
And now he's trying to follow up and see what Garcia has in the way of
Martinez, this is paying off because Mikey had to jump in to get close to him and got caught with that short right hand that he never expected Martinez to throw. Right on the butt with a good counter right hand.
Third round, maganda pa rin ang palitan pero mas malalakas na ang pasabog ni Garcia dito. Mas malalakas na kamao ang tumatama sa taga Puerto Rico.
number 3. Two judges had Darchinyan winning 6 out of 8 rounds against Nonito Donaire. And those two judges, Levi Martinez and Oren Schellenberger, are both scoring this fight.
Oh, good shot.
Hard right hand
20 seconds, let's go.
on 3. And you heard Brother Robert saying he's reaching in, catch him while he's reaching in. That's exactly what Martinez did to Garcia in round number 2.
Trying to step in with a jab instead of jumping in and follow with a beautiful right hand because he closed this with a step instead of a jump.
Sa mga sumunod na round, ganon pa rin ang takbo ng laban. Maingat na bumabato ang magkabilang kampo. Tila nag-aabang lang ng tamang tiyempo na makatama ng isang solido.
he's even on the cards.
Right hand by Garcia down the.
I'm seeing a little bit more of a
Good
wrinkle
left hook.
in Rocky Martinez's game in this fight than I've seen. Punches and is staying in the fight.
I agree with all that. There's good left hook. In case you're just after dark triple header on HBO, Garcia, who could no longer make weight in his level trunks, Martinez in the red, white, and blue. Right, such a good job of blocking and.
Garcia. This is right around the time he said he would do it.
It's after that right hand. Good right.
Good shot, and that brings Garcia's counterpunching skills more into play. Mikey's wife, Satima.
Sixth round, mas naging maaksyon na ang laban. Kapwa pumapalag na ang dalawa sa mga kamao nila. Pumapasok na rin itong Puerto Rican sa bitag nitong Mexican.
Good left.
Pero matapos ang ilang minuto, sa pull sa kanan itong champion na si Martinez at bahagyang nahilo.
Like the left hook that he landed right.
Trying to do too much punches that are landing.
Now the left hook lands for Garcia and momentarily wobbled Rocky Martinez.
Garcia try to do too much punches and they're landing.
Nasundan pa ito sa mga huling segundo ng round at maswerteng nakasurvive pa ito.
And for Garcia. There it is again.
Blocked that one finally. Oh, there he
And he gets him with the right hand as he got Martinez to be very left-hand conscious and caught him with a quick, short right-hand shot.
Good body shot.
Hits him with a hook to the body.
Mikey Garcia woke up the crowd in Corpus Christi with some fireworks.
He'll try to catch him with the counter right hand over the jab, missed him, but he followed up with a beautiful left hook because Martinez bagged straight up from the punch. And that one hurt him pretty bad.
7th round, patuloy ang maaksyong laban. Napapasok na rin madalas ni Garcia dito ang dipinsa nitong defending champion na si Roman Martinez. Kaya ilang beses pa itong naalog mula sa malulupit na kamao nitong challenger na si Garcia. Habang itong champion ay tila paubos na ang kargada sa bodega.
Another.
Casey Garcia coming over the top of Martinez's jab again with a straight right hand. Followed by a hook.
8th round, ramdam na talaga ni Martinez ang lakas ng suntok nitong si Garcia. Di pa nakarecover sa pagkahilo niya pero pilit pa rin bumabato at nakipagsabayan sa bakbakan nila.
By Mikey Garcia because he's turned a relentless pressure fighter in a heavier weight class into a guy who's given up the ghost of his normal.
Kaya ilang segundo lang, bagsak siya nang matamaan ng isang malupit na kaliwa sa bodega.
Garcia sets up to trap him again. Hammers him. Oh, body shot knockdown with a brilliant left hook to the body.
Di na ito nakatayo pa sa sobrang sakit na ininda. Diniklarang panalo si Mikey Garcia via 8th round KO. Nakuha ang titulo at tinanghal na bagong 2 Division World Champion.
The winner by knockout victory, and he is the new undefeated WBO featherweight champion of the world, Miguel Angel Mikey Garcia.
Garcia moves to 33-0 with.
Sila ang dalawang nagpabagsak kay Mikey Garcia pero di nila nagawang tapusin siya. Sa halip nakabawi pa siya at nanalo pa. Sinong boksidor kaya ang kauna-unahang magpabagsak at tatapos sa walang knockout na kartada ni Garcia? Siya na kaya? Ang inyong komento, reaksyon at suggestion ay welcome na welcome sa baba. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping permi.